Hello dear students, you have your chemistry paper pretty soon. So I will be covering some very important name reactions in this series which would be there in your paper. The most important name reaction that you have to understand is aldol condensation. So first of all, aldol stands for ald and all. There are two words. Ald stands for aldehyde and all stands for alcohol group. So in aldol condensation, the compound that you get has two functional groups, aldehyde as well as alcohol. Let's come quickly how we can understand aldol condensation. It's a very simple process. Just next 2 minutes you can understand how to write a reaction using aldol condensation. First of all, aldol condensation takes place when an aldehyde has alpha hydrogen. Please understand this thing very clearly. Alpha hydrogen stands for the carbon just beside the functional group. So in this case, the carbon that I'm talking about is this. And because there is alpha hydrogen present on this carbon, this aldehyde could give aldol condensation. So that is a very important concept. You need to have alpha hydrogen for having aldol condensation. Now, first I will cover self aldol condensation. It's a very simple process. We need to take two aldehydes having alpha hydrogen and the, the two molecules of the same aldehyde will show aldol condensation. Let me show you how. Let us take acetaldehyde or ethanol as I showed you and try to do aldol condensation. It is just a one-step process. If I tell you in short, because we are here to learn it quickly, we have 3-4 days left for the paper, so please see. First, I will take the first aldehyde, that is ethanol, and I would take the other one. Again it's ethanol because it's self aldol condensation, same compound. The most important process and the step that you have to learn, you have to do a very simple step. You have to break double bond for one compound and you have to remove H from the other compound. See how. If I break this double bond, please see how. If I break this double bond, this oxygen will get a negative charge and the carbon will get positive charge. And if I remove this double bond now, just to show you, please see, I remove this double bond. Now we have negative and positive. In the second compound, I will remove an H from there. Please see how. So I will remove an H. I will remove H. How? See. There were 3 H attached to C. Now there are only 2 left. And now I would have, when I remove H, it will have a negative charge on it. There will be 2 H left. And the last step is the most important one. You just need to bring this C and attach it here. My dear students, very simple. Just look for this. Break the bond from one compound, give it 2 charges, negative, positive. Now bring the other compound by removing H and add them together. Let me show you the next step, how easy it is. So let me show you this. Okay, so as I went to the step that you saw, let me quickly write it here. CS3 C double bond O that I had earlier, and I removed this bond, so let me write it again. I can't take a lot of your time because we are lacking time, right? So just quickly let me write, I have O minus at this place and I have plus here and H. And the other compound that I talked about will be attached from here, and if it is attached from here, I remove this plus sign and that other compound would be attached. See how CH2, it was CH2, so it will be CH2 and C double bond OH. Now this negative sign that was there, it will be removed and it will replace by H. Why, how, we don't need to know now right now, because we are having a simple agenda how to write the compound. This will be your compound for aldol condensation after having self aldol condensation of ethanol. Let me just write it in a way that you can understand. So the compound that I showed you right now was related to CH3, okay, please see, CH2, CHO, and then we had OH attached here, and then we'll have one H. This is the compound. If I name this compound, it will relate to like 3-hydroxy, and there are 4 carbons, so 3-hydroxy, and because there are 4 carbons, I will just say butanol. So this is what self aldol condensation looks like, and it's a very simple process. I hope you understood this concept, and I will talk about other reactions in the next video. So thank you for watching.